Car Hub.
What's up guys, Car Hub here. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to reset the oil maintenance light in this 2023 Prius. So this is going to be the 5th gen Priuses. So let's get right into it. Make sure to subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed, and like the video as it helps me out. So first off, we got the car turned on. It don't say ready, so it's in accessory mode right now. So we're going to press back right here on the steering wheel, and it pops up that menu, and you want to make sure you are on the settings wheel. So we're using this to go up and down, and then we're going to make sure it's on the setting wheel, and then we're going to go over. So go over, and then all the way until you see change settings, and then you hold OK right there. So when you hold OK, it pops up this menu, and now you want to go down to oil maintenance. Press OK to reset oil maintenance. So we're going to press OK. Well, we got to redo it because we weren't quick enough. All right, press OK. Reset maintenance, yes. And then your reset's complete. That's how you do it. Thank you guys. Make sure to comment, subscribe, and like the video.